Welcome to another Office Logic Shop tutorial. In this video, we'll guide you through how to replace the hooks and securement strap on your Herman Miller Embody seat. If the hooks under the seat have been damaged or the strap that connects those hooks is damaged, don't worry, the fix is simple. Step 1. Start by shifting the bar inside the seat just enough to create a gap for the hook. Step 2. Take the hook and place it into the gap, then slide the bar through it. Step 3. Continue sliding the bar and repeat the process for the second hook. Step 4. Once the bar passes through both hooks, keep sliding it all the way to the end. Now, flip the chair over. If the securement strap is also damaged, you can unhook it by pulling it up. Step 5. Grab the new securement strap and hook it onto this part. Step 6. Next, take the large plastic piece. Click the securement strap into it, then slide the cavity of this plastic piece into the shaft until you hear it click securely into place. Step 7. Finally, hook the other end of the securement strap onto the hook on the seat. Repeat this process for the other side, and that's it. Your chair should now be working perfectly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to OfficeLogixShop.com and visit our website for all your office chair needs.